Hey, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the latest WhatsApp update and learn how to remove channels. Let's jump right into it. If you've followed a channel and it's affecting your status display, here's how you can remove it. The first step is to open WhatsApp on your mobile. Once you are in, click on the Updates tab at the bottom left corner. Now, click on the channel you want to unfollow. At the top right corner of the channel, you'll see 3 dots. Click on them, and a menu will pop up. Look for the unfollow option and click on it. When you click on it, a confirmation message will appear. Click on the unfollow to confirm it. That's it. By doing this, you're removing the channel from your list. Alternatively, you can click on the channel's name, go to their profile, and you'll find the unfollow option there as well. It's just as easy, and it achieves the same result. Removing channels is a breeze with the latest WhatsApp update. It's as simple as a couple of clicks, and you're done. No more unwanted changes to your status. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.